When we think about changing our SAP applications, we typically start with an idea. These ideas may be aimed at increasing revenue or reducing business cost. How can we implement our ideas as fast as possible for the least amount of cost? One popular methodology is DevOps. DevOps is a way of working that brings development and operations together to give hours back to the business. This session is all about using LiveCompare apps to help support development activities within the DevOps lifecycle. From idea to implementation, LiveCompare can assist with identifying project requirements, impact on other project streams, and overall time and cost planning. Knowing what you use, how it's impacted, and who's affected is a solid foundation to project requirements planning. In these LiveCompare results, we have clear visibility on our usage footprint, as well as what is impacted by our proposed changes and who will need to be notified or involved in the project. To assess the impact on other project streams, I'll choose a bottom-up view of our analysis. Our project proposes a modification to the goods movement BOPI, which we know will impact our transaction zCalc. It's great to have awareness of all the other impacted business streams, and we can notify their project leads of our change. Holistic design considers complicated system landscape dependencies, performance and overall quality of proposed changes, and involvement of the people at the core of the impacted business scenarios. These LiveCompare results illustrate system synchronization status of my custom dev class. It's important to have awareness of the objects within this dev class to ensure key components are in sync across my pathway to production landscape. Now let's take that same development class and analyze the code quality. This chart illustrates around 100 ABAP objects. Let's focus on the performance category, where we can improve our new development efforts, as well as pay down the technical debt of any related components. Identifying out-of-sync dependencies, reducing custom code, and assessing code quality and complexity allow you to manage and optimize your code fast while improving performance. We've created a new custom forecast transaction that is dependent upon standard, modified, and custom components. Let's see if they are all in sync between development and production. The majority of the objects are in sync. However, there are 19 differences, and 6 objects that are in development, but not in production. In this case, I see most of my discrepancies are functions. LiveCompare can help you reduce your custom code by identifying unused custom objects that can be candidates for archiving. It can also identify clones and other modifications that may be suitable for returning to standard code. And for the custom code you do use and want to keep, LiveCompare assesses the quality and complexity and also provides recommendations on how to fix outdated code. You don't need to be technical to run LiveCompare apps. Functional team leads and project managers use the dashboards and spreadsheets to assist in project planning, time and cost estimates, and resources needed. Technical teams use the results to analyze and fix code in development prior to QA release. The earlier you run LiveCompare development apps, the better. Run them prior to the testing phase of your DevOps lifecycle.